In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export a clean copy of your accounting data so you can store it safely outside Xero as part of a solid backup routine. First, sign in to your Xero organization with the right permissions. You'll need access to accounting settings and reporting to complete the export. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and click Accounting. This takes you to the area where Xero groups core financial tools and settings, and it's the quickest path to the backup option we need. Next, choose Accounting Settings. This page centralizes key configuration items and includes the control for exporting your data. If you don't see it, double check that you're in the correct organization and that your user role allows exporting. From here, click Export Accounting Data. This is the built-in method Xero provides to get your information out in a structured format. When you select this, Xero will open the General Ledger export screen, which is designed for comprehensive backups because it covers ledgers, journals, and commonly needed reports in CSV form. On the export screen, start by selecting the product. Depending on your setup, you might see options relevant to your subscription. Choose the one that matches the data you want to include in your backup. If you're unsure, stick with the primary accounting option so you capture your core financial activity. Now, select the date range. For a full historical backup, choose the broadest available range to include all transactions to date. For a periodic backup, such as a month-end or quarter-end snapshot, set a custom start and end date to match your reporting period. Take a moment to confirm the range so you don't miss any activity, especially around cutoff dates. When your selections look right, click Download. Xero will generate your files, typically CSVs, sometimes bundled in a single zip, and your browser will begin the download. If your dataset is large, this may take a little longer. Just keep the tab open until the process completes. After the file lands on your computer, store it securely. Rename it with a clear format, such as company name YIMMDD backup, and save it to an encrypted drive or reputable cloud storage with version history. It's also a good idea to open one of the CSVs to spot check that the data looks complete and to keep at least 2 backup copies in different locations for redundancy. That's it. You've backed up your Xero accounting data quickly and safely. Repeat this process on a regular schedule to protect your records and make audits, reviews, and restores much easier.